guys, so I finally went to Walmart and bought the self-adhering sports wrap that I needed to change out on here. As you can see, it desperately needs it. I've already started spraying some of the corners so I can get the poop wiped off because, well, everything's covered in poop here. So it just needs to be cleaned. And I've got a spray bottle with the vinegar in it. And I'm just spraying, trying to let it soak for a second to get everything off. Some of it needs to kind of set for a second, but some of it doesn't. Hi, Tilly. Hello. But Tilly doesn't mind. Do you, Till? It's been needing a good cleaning. And like I said, I finally got the stuff to do it. So now it's all right. So now I'm just using the small trash can that I keep back here to throw everything out after I'm pulling everything off. Some of it's harder to get off than other spots. Don't you bite my toes. You hear me? Don't bite my toes. He can't mess with my face or my nails at the top. He likes to go down there and try to munch on my feet. Sometimes it hurts, sometimes it doesn't. Probably should not have just ran my fingers through my hair. That was really gross. Okay, try not to do that again. There's another piece. I already took a couple pieces off, like this one I took off, and there's another one right here that's gone. And then the one in the middle. Ow, Tilly, stop. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Well, come to me. Stop trying to eat my toes. Stop. He doesn't like the words no. Oh my God. Would you quit? Quit. You're not being very good right now. He's literally chasing my feet and running back and forth and then looking up at me like it's funny. But it's not funny and it hurts. You guys stop it. Come to me. Come here. Come here. Good boy. Good job. Good job. So, good job. See, I didn't even have to clean up the mess. You just pooped right in the trash can. That's the bestest boy ever. Such a good boy. So, depending on how thick I put it, sometimes it takes me a little bit longer to get it off than I like. And then we've got lots of little hooks where we had planned to put toys. Toys are expensive sometimes, and it's hard to keep, you know, them into them because they tear them up so fast. So little by little, we've taken one toy off, and then when we built the other hanging pieces, we've just taken a toy off at a time, and then occasionally I'll take them off and spray them down and clean them really good, or whatever else needs to happen. You're all right. This has become a lot more work. Sammy came to say hello. And as you can see, Tilly won't get off the bar that I'm trying to take the stuff off of. So, you better watch your toes. Hi, which one are you? Are you gonna eat me? Nope, you're good. Hi, Wasabi. Hi, Bubba. Oh, good gracious. Okay, Ash. All right, all right. Ash doesn't know not to grab. Ash doesn't know not to grab a hold of moles and stuff that are part of my body. And he likes to really bite down hard, and he's made people bleed. And Wasabi knows that it's part of us, and Tilly knows that it's part of us. Sorry guys, it's okay, it's okay. And then Sammy also knows that it's part of me. But Ash isn't quite there yet, are you? No. Okay. Listen, mister. Girl, calm down. Calm down. Easy. Boy. All right, Wasabi, I'm counting on you, bud. Don't let him take a chunk out. You want to get up there? Okay. So they're all very nosy, and they all want to know what's happening at this point. Okay, gotta find where this one starts. There it is. Tilly is my nosiest of babies. He just wants to be with me no matter what I'm doing. And once he got used to the newspaper and cleaning the pen or the cages, now he likes to attack the paper while I'm trying to change it. That's one of his favorite things to do. And he likes to talk to the paper and also likes to talk to paper towel or attack paper towel. Depends on whether he thinks it's hurting me or not. You know, right, Bubba? And Ash, no sir. Ash likes to try to chew holes in my clothes, which is, I mean, normal for these four. Tilly doesn't do it as often, but the other three, they'll take a chunk out of your clothes before you even know it's happened, or anything they can get their beak on. All right, that's a part of me. You can preen me till your little heart's content, but please don't try to eat my tattoos. They don't come off, honey. Hey, Tilly, it would help me a lot if I could have my hand back. Can you go on this shoulder? Come here. All right, Till. Sammy, please don't poop in my hair, honey. If you need to potty, I'd appreciate it if you'd go back to your cage. Okay, hey, no. Come here. Come on. Which one are you? Okay. There's no fighting. There's enough for me to go around. Hey, stop that. Stop. No, I don't need your help. I got it. There's nothing is easy here, ever. I've always got helpers. They're literally like my kids when they were little. They want to do everything and be a part of everything. Okay, please. Hey, ow! What is happening? What are you doing? Why are you trying to mess me up? Huh? You gotta stop it. Now that I have all of that off, I'm gonna go ahead and open these and start rewrapping them so that way Tilly can get his footing because he's having trouble holding on. Aren't you, bud? Yeah. The one in the window, he doesn't seem to have a problem with. I've got a perch there. I know you kind of really can't see it, but there's a perch there that he likes to chill on, and I think he's the only one that uses it. He likes to stare out the window and watch the dogs and whatever else just happens to wander in the yard, or watch cars in the background or whatever. Okay, that'll be good, okay. So it's one of his favorite pastimes. But he does really good with that one for some reason, and it's PVC as well, but this one seems to be a little bit more slippery, I guess. I try to get it as close to the edge as I can, and then I just give it a squeeze so it adheres to itself. Silly baby. And then I like to keep it at the bottom. Sometimes they don't. Hello. Okay. Okay. Come on. Come here. Boy. Okay. You can't chew on my rings. Boy. And then that's pretty much it. We built this one and this hanging one here, and then the one there, I know I've shared it before. What do I do with that hand sanitizer? I found it. So I haven't wrapped any of the other, well, this one I have, and it probably needs to be cleaned as well. Not really the top, but the bottom one needs to be redone. But the other bigger piece with the sisal rope, I don't need to redo it. It's not, doesn't have anything on it. I think Tilly and Wasabi are really the only ones that get on it. I hope I have enough. Bought 2 things of it, I should. Well, hi. You like the pink? Huh? Hi, Sammy. Hi, baby. No. 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 Sammy, no. I don't want you guys fighting. Tilly, you're a boy. Be a giant pain in the butt when I go to take it off, but I can always cut it off, so it doesn't really matter. You gotta be easy. Gotta be nice. Good mama's good boy. Mama's good boy. Good job. Good job. Don't get on there yet. Hey, don't you hold my clothes. Hey. Sammy. Sometimes she lashes out, so we'll see if she gets me. She's being pretty gentle now. I found the please stop doing that. I found a like how-to video for the PVC pipe. Well, I don't think it was a video, it was more of a Pinterest thing. Alright, gotta be easy, baby. I found it on Pinterest. And then we just kinda changed it to the way that I wanted it instead of building it exactly like the one we saw. Gave it our own style, I guess. It's looking like I need to get the rubber mallet back in here. Smack it back together. So I'm gonna finish this off camera because this is taking a long time, especially when I have birds up my butt. So be right back. All right, so I've got all of it on, and I found several other new toys to go ahead and put on as well. Hi, you're doing so good over there just eating. You gonna drive me crazy now? Huh? So I'm just gonna attach some toys on here. They tend to stay on here anyway. I put food in the little cups on each side. Unfortunately, I wasn't very smart when I put those in, and I super glued them in because I didn't want them ripping them out and throwing them all around the room. Hello. So it's all right. I can't take them out. I have the PVC bowls that I ordered from Amazon that would probably come in more handy, but I'd have to redo the whole PVC thing, and it was a lot of work to put this thing together. So I'm just stuck with it for now. At some point I could probably replace it. I'm sure at least that top thing I could fix. But I've got this one. I think it was more for a small bird. You see it? Ooh. You gonna do it? Peekaboo. He's a good boy. At least he's not freaked out by it now. I feel like an idiot doing this on camera. But he's not freaked out, and I'm okay with that. So we're just gonna add these we're just gonna add these new toys to here, and hopefully they will just enjoy them and play with them. And hi, how do you? Got lots of random ones that I had saved back in the drawer. I can't. Okay, let's try that again. To me forever. So now we've got toys on most of them. I've just got 2 here and 2 over on this side that really don't have toys, but I really don't need them. I think that's it. I'm probably gonna take the stuff off of this one and change it out too while I'm already back here, but this is the piece that I mainly wanted to work on, and it's done. So I had a bit of a mishap while trying to replace the wrap on the toy from the ceiling. I ripped it off the ceiling. So now I gotta get a step stool, and it's right there on the table. You're all right. It's right there on the table, and I gotta hang it back up. Let's hope I can get this done without breaking my neck. I don't do good with climbing things because I have dizzy spells. Did you poop on me? Who pooped on me? Did you poop on me? Did you do it? I bet you did. I got crap on more than once. Oh my goodness. too, honey. So the toy is down. I didn't die. I didn't fall and crack my head off of anything. It could have happened. I got it back up. It's back up now. I kind of like the black and pink. I like the mixture, I think. But they were out of black at Walmart, and that's the only color that I could get. Plus my favorite color is pink. Not that you can tell by 95% of the clothes that I wear. But, yeah. Everything's done. It all looks good. Tilly's thoroughly enjoying it. The others are behind me because they're scared because I had to bring in the step stool and other things that they don't like. Tilly's my brave boy. Really quick before we finish up this video, tell me which color was your favorite. Did you like the black better or the pink better? And you can see kind of both on this one. I actually really like the pink better. It's just brighter, it's prettier, and I think it goes better with the toys. But tell me down below what you think. If you guys like the video, please don't forget to like. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Subscribe and ding the bell. You guys have a good day.